Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to focus on 3 simple moves for beginners. We did this a couple of weeks back. It looks like you guys really enjoyed it, so I thought I'll give you guys another one. So 3 new moves. Let's get started right from the top. So the first thing we're going to do, feet apart. You want to make sure you're bouncing side to side and you're bending your knees, okay? So you're going to go bounce, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now you want to add your arms for a little bit of flavor. So we're just going to go out, cross, Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try that again. Make sure don't lose the bounce. Okay. You got to bend your knees every time you go. To the right, to the left. Yeah, you're working together. Bring your body down just a little bit. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Going down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do it one last time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Second move. Similar to the one we did a couple of weeks back, which is the step touch, but you're going to turn your body this time. So you're stepping over with the right. Bring the arms back, so we're going to bring it back here, and then we're going to cross, okay? Right leg goes 1, 2, yeah? And then go to the other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. Remember, you're starting with the right leg here, left leg in, left. Right, right, left, left, right. Good. So throughout this time that I'm doing this, I don't lose the bounce. Yeah, I'm constantly bouncing. So you don't want to be stiff like this. Make sure you bend your knees. 1, down, hit, down, hit, down, hit, down. Good. Let's try again. 5, 6, right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, left, right, right. Left, left, right. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's see if we can put the 2 together. So right from the top, side to side, bending the knees, arms go out first, and then they cross. 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now moving on to the second step. Starting with the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's do that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So one thing you want to remember, it's not so much about just doing the steps. You want to do it, and you want to make sure you put a little flavor to it, okay? So you got to bounce. You got to keep this bounce. So if you're doing it and you're looking in the mirror and you look like something like this, make sure you bounce, yeah? Work on this before anything else. And then use that same vibe when you step to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go back to the top. Let's try it again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Last step, step number 3. We're going to move over to the right, 2 steps. Throw the arm out. Yeah, you're going to go 1. You're also leaning forward. 1, pull 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So what I'm doing is I'm stepping out with the right leg, and I'm kind of just dragging the left leg over. And once they connect, I bend my knees. So boom, down, hit, down, switch, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, slide 2, 3, 4. Switch 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's do that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, down, 2, down, hit, down. 4 and 5, 6. Keep going. Hit, 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 stop. Good. Let's connect all 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7. Stop. Good. One more time from the top. 5, 6, 7. Let's do this one slow. Let's keep it clean. 7, 8. We're going bounce. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One last time from the top. Here we go. We'll speed it up a little bit. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Travel 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. All right, everyone. So those were 3 simple moves for beginners. I know we did something similar a couple of weeks back. You can see that link right after this video. But keep working on these. Just do them as many times as you need to until you get comfortable. Other than that, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment box. Let me know what you want to see. We're doing this every week. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends about this channel. And I will see you guys next week with a new video.